Okay, let's go with example number 2 here of finding an angle in standard position given a point on the terminal side. So the first thing we're going to have to do is sketch a graph. And this time, let's say the point, let's say our given point is, let's make it at -3, -4. So we know that's in quadrant 3. And if we go to -3, -4, my point's down there somewhere. And I'm asking for that angle, the positive angle in standard position. Remember, we called that theta. And if you'll recall from our previous video, here's my point on the terminal side. I'm going to make a triangle with the x-axis. It's important you do it with the x-axis. That'll be a right triangle. If I redraw that right triangle, it would be right here, down here like this. We know that that was -3. We're actually going to just use the positive. We know that that was -4. We'll use the positive part of it again because we're doing distances. Okay. The angle that I can now find is this angle. Remember, that was called a reference angle. I can actually use tangent to find it again. Tangent of x is 4/3, opposite over adjacent. Use your second key on your calculator. So go second tangent, 4 divided by 3. This time we came up with a 53-degree angle. All right. So this angle right here is 53 degrees. So that was actually, this time, it was 180 degrees plus 53 more. So 180 plus 53 more degrees, which comes up to a 233-degree angle. Positive angle in standard position. Okay, and that makes sense to us because if we think about our quadrants, in quadrant 1, we're somewhere between 0 and 90. In quadrant 2, we're somewhere between 90 and 180. In quadrant 3, we're somewhere between 180 and 270. And in quadrant 4, we're somewhere between 270 and 360. And we ended up with 233. So, yeah, that made total sense because our point was given to us in quadrant 3.